from my window. Sun's coming up like the day before. You're like a stone on my pillow. I don't make a sound when I shut the door. You don't have to wake up yet. We can spend all day in bed. I'll put the TV in the room. We'll have a Netflix marathon, Kenny G saxophone. We'll order in a bunch of food. I'll put your favorite music on all the way baritone. Yeah. Shut the lights, go infrared. We can spend all day in bed. I'll get the wine and the corkscrew. You don't have to do one single thing. You don't know how much I want you. Just looking at you makes my whole world spin. You don't have to wake up yet. We can spend all day in bed. I'll put the TV in the room. We'll have a Netflix marathon, Kenny G saxophone. We'll order in a bunch of food. I'll put your favorite music on all the way baritone. Shut the lights, go infrared. We can spend all day.
Good morning! Good morning! Ayan, gagawa ko si Dyan ng peanut butter sandwich kasi gusto niya Nothing! I'm talking to the guys. Yes. Kasi gusto niya ng Pepsi at saka ng iced tea. But I told him kailangan niya munang kumain ng peanut butter and then strawberry on the side bago ko siya bigyan. Morning, good morning, good morning. Say good morning, good morning.
Good morning, good morning, good morning.
Ay, ingay. Naihatid na natin si Liam sa... Hindi pala na tayo naghatid. Hindi ko na kasi siya inahatid. Pinapasabay ko na lang. Kasi si Dion kasi malamig pa eh. Ako, bakit malamig ang bipolar ang weather dito? Very unpredictable. Malamig pa siya. Shh, don't say that.
By the way.
Okay?
Okay.
If you finish this one, I'll give you, okay?
You do Pepsi?
Yeah, okay?
Okay.
Okay, thank you.
And Mama can eat in peanut butter.
Sure. Oh, careful. Itong this one. Fresh lumpia. Ito lang yung mga... Maraming natirang food, guys. Pero pinauwi ko dun sa mga bisita ko. At least meron silang food pag uwi sa bahay or kinabukasan. Iyon. Kasi yung ibang mga in-invite ko. Hindi naman sila nagpunta. But it's okay. Kahapon, napunta kami doon sa school ni Dion. Kasi diba, meron silang open house para sa mga kindergarten at saka sa mga EAP, early entry. Sa dito, ang tawag sa kinder ba yun o prep? Kinder yata eh. Hindi ko sure. Ano ba yung before mag-grade 1, diba? Basta ganun. Dito, prep siguro sa atin yun. So, dito kasi, ang tawag ay Early Entry Program or EAP. Tapos, 2.5 hours lang siya. So, kakain lang ako. Yan, ito na yung breakfast ko. Kasi gusto ko maubos yung mga food dito. O, konti na lang naman. Hindi naman na madami. Kain muna. Habang si Dyan ay kumakain.
good days, here's to the sorrows. If this is a mistake, I know about tomorrow. I don't wanna fight no more, cause I don't feel the need no more, no. Just wanna make it stop. Maybe it's something in the water, or maybe we just hit the end of the road. Right now it doesn't even matter. It's too late not to let it go. And that's why I wish you the best and say goodbye. You start to get dressed.
So guys. So it's 4 o'clock, 4:07 na ng hapon. And magpipirito tayo ng ating ulam for today. Parang gusto kasi ng ano yung ano tawag dito? Baboy. Na finirito. So, yan. Niwa ko to kanina. Niliga ko lang ng patis, bawang, konting asin, paminta, at saka magic sarap. Tapos, yung natirang gulay dun sa, nung birthday ni Dyan, roll natin sa Vietnamese rice paper na lang. Rice paper. Good morning, guys. Nakikita ka. Today is Wednesday and 6:43 ng umaga. Mag-ano tayo, pinagpe-prepare ko si Liam ng baon niya. And ito na, meron na siyang rice, tapos strawberry tsaka cookies. And then this one, go fruit. Tapos nagluluto ako ng skinless langganisa para sa baon niya. Tapos, mag-iinit ako ng pork para sa kanyang breakfast.
You said it was the last time, but you keep coming back to tell me sorry that you take back all the things you said just to hurt me. My love just went cold, but I'm still burning. My love just went cold. Why?
Naman, ako naman ay titimpla ng aking kape na diet coffee. Yung aking cafe macchiato. Habang tulog pa at ito kasi yung buhok ko na to na nagpagupit ako, pinutulan niya dito kasi nga makapal sa likod. Ayan. Habang tayo ay nagkakape at naghihintay ng oras, ako muna ay manonood ng YouTube.
You keep coming back to show me sorry you have changed now, but it's the same old story. My love just went cold, but I'm still burning. My love just went cold. Why? I keep on making the same mistake. I always let you back in when I begin to get myself together again. You are back once more like everything's the same. I tried to build my walls up, but you're taking them down.
is hard. Yeah, wanna feel your arms around me. I need you more, need you here, more than I would like to admit. Let's forget about tomorrow. Yeah, should I hide away forever? Should I close my eyes and never again hold you tight, call you mine, think about you every time? I remember that it's over. Yeah, you never break, you never lie, you never ever scared of the dark. So why am I the one who cries? I'm so afraid to be left behind. I think about you a lot. It's almost like I can't stop, can't stop. Yeah, yeah. You never lose an argument, so I've been trying hard to pretend that I'm okay. It's just a phase, and everything is going just great. I think about you a lot. It's almost like I can't stop, can't stop.
Good morning, guys! Happy Thursday. Oh, ayan, 9:58 pa lang ng umaga, and productive na ang ating umaga kasi naghanda natin si Liam ng breakfast, nagluto ako ng waffle, tapos kumain kami ni Dion, and then ito, nakikita nyo to, kitang-kita nyo ba to, char? And then itong aming kalan, may ganito kasi siya, tapos matagal na, parang 1 year na hindi napapalitan yung foil niya, para hindi tayo every month or lagi nagpapalit ng ganito. Nilalagyan namin ng foil. So ayan, ito yung bagong palit, wait lang. So ito, bagong palit na siya, ayan, foil. Kung may mga kalan kayo na ganito dito sa Canada, ite-take out nyo lang itong ano na to, tapos hugutin yung ganon. Tapos ganun din, pag binalik nyo, ganun lang din siya. Ayan, so ito, nalinis ko na to. Nalinis ko na din yung nandito. So, ang aking gagawin ay lalagyan ko ng foil. Ilagay na natin doon. Diba? Diba? Mas cheap kung foil ang ilalagay mo. Hindi ka nabibili ng, ito alam ko na tawag dito sa nilalagay dito eh. Ganyan lang siya. Ulang lang yun. Tapos, para yung mga mantika, ang lalabas, hindi siya doon, hindi kayo marinig. Para yung mga mantika na nagaling sa pagluluto natin ay hindi nalalaglag doon sa may ilalim ng kalan. Medyo malinis pa naman. So, ayan. Then, ito ay butasan ko lang to. Dito natin isusuot yung pinaka-hala. Hindi perfect ang pagkabutas, but anyway, okay. Dito natin lalagay. Then, itong burner na yon, basta masusuot siya dito kung ayaw niya. Meron siyang suutan sa loob. Eh, kung hindi kayo sure kung nasuot siya, i-try nyo na sindihan. I-open nyo, tapos kapag hindi siya uminit, ibig sabihin hindi siya nakashoot sa tamang butas. Linisin ko lang yung sink namin kasi may mga mantika galing dun sa sa burner, ay sa nung kalan, sa pen. Hindi ko alam kung natawag dun eh.
Don't need someone to save me. No, and don't come.
So guys, ayan, 2:00 na ng hapon and may dumating akong parcel. This is a baso. Kuha lang, ayan. Kasi sinasabi ni Eric, yung baso namin is magaan lang plastic kasi nga may mga bata kami. So, titingnan ko. Tingin ako sa Amazon. Siyempre, ito yung baso na uso sa TikTok at saka sa TikTok, ayun, tsaka sa mga vlog. So, ito siya. Ayan. So, nakakatulog na pala ako. Kasi nga, natuwa ko, maaga ako nagigising. Unbox natin. This one, guys. Ano siya? Maganda naman yung review nito. Glass siya. Yung parang para siyang can, beer. Ay, beer. Yeah, yung nakakan ng mga soft drinks. Yan, maganda siya, guys. Glass yata to. Basta glass siya, syempre. And, ako lang naman na naghuhugas ng aming ng baso, kaya okay lang. Hello guys, good afternoon. Today is Friday. And tanghali na ako ng vlog kasi natulog ako kanina. Ito kasi ako. Kasi ito kami ni Dyan sa labas. So, nilabas ko siya kasi kagigising lang din naiinip siguro sa loob. What's that? Ant?
No spider.
No, it's not a spider.
Hello.
It's ant, Dion.
Ant.
Medyo mahangin.
Hello. Hey, hey. Hey, hey.
Kill it. Step on it, Dion. Step on it. Oh my God. Ayun pa.
I got it. What's the ant?
Hinahanap niya yung bike na sinasakyan na dito na mas maliit ka. So, nakita ko kasi nung last time may kumuhay Tinatakbo niya. Natakbo niya doon. Nakita ko doon sa sa bintana.
Mommy, what's the ant?
I don't know. Did you kill it?
No.
1:30 pa lang ng hapon.
Another ant.
Another ant. Medyo mahangin pa guys, kaya kami nakapa jacket pa. So bagay spring pa lang naman kasi, kaya medyo malamig-lamig pa siya. Diyun. Ayan, namumulot na naman siya ng mga bato-bato. Ayan po, mahilig siya sa mga bato-bato. Ngayong Friday ay may pasok si Liam. Pero next week wala. Ang lakas ng hangin ayaw pumasok. Diyan, let's go. Diyan, let's go. Ayan, nagdadakot na. Let's go on the other side. Come on. Ahem. On the front. Let's go on the front. Come on. Wala pa si Kuya. Kuya is not here yet. Come on. Maaraw dito sa kabila. Maaraw. Ayan na po, man. Oh. Yung dandalayon mo. Yan ang paborito niyang ginagawa kapag summer. Pinamimitas.
Life is a winding road, no telling where it goes. Driving through days and nights, won't stop for traffic lights. And I really wanna know if I will ever figure out where the Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs. You can say I lost my mind.